Looks like it's going to rain all day here. There's more rain already than we've gotten in the last 4 months in South Florida. The problem with the rain is it cancels out me walking on the boardwalk. Here's windmills in the foggy mist. I'm supposed to turn right on Martin Luther King Boulevard. There is no sign that says Martin Luther King Boulevard. Here in Atlantic City, you can't find a gas station. In South Florida, every intersection is 4 gas stations and a bank. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put gas in this car.